Hey guys, good morning. So today I'm actually going to be working on another Betty Boop order because this girl is really hot right now. So I am going to show you the process for that today. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Betty template off the wall over here really quick. So this Betty Boop kitchen sign is really popular. I created this template and it's really working out really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the process for that. Okay, so I always use my black marker, like I said, to trace my outlines because they show up really well when you're using the scroll saw. So I'm just gonna trace her out really quick and then I will get cutting. I didn't realize when I first made this that Betty Boop was going to be so popular still. She really is. I originally made this for my mom's birthday because she loves Betty Boop, and it blew up after that. Alright, let's get cutting. Okay, so Betty is all cut out now. And like I said, this is one of our most popular kitchen signs at the moment. And she's ready to be sanded and painted and stained. And with this one, you can get you can get a custom name on it. My mom said Jane's Kitchen. You can get any name, anything you want on there, basically. And she's super cute. See when she's done.